Hello and welcome everybody to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee. Please be sure to share and subscribe to my channel as I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers by the end of August. I look at my YouTube studio and I know that many are watching but not subscribed. So please help me out as I bring and share excellent and delicious recipe for you all for free. Don't be stingy. Today I will be sharing with you my o-mazinggrace and my a-mazinggrace. I've named this dish like so since my husband named it after I cooked this for my family. Both recipes of o-mazing and a-mazinggrace will be in the description below. Please let me know which of the two you prefer. I can tell you right now, the o-mazinggrace was the absolute truth and it will leave you with a spiritual experience. Make sure to make a grocery list as you're watching and enjoy. I know that you will love it once you make this meal for yourself or whoever cooks it for you in your home. You will see that in this video, one set of pork loin was grilled and the other one was in the oven. I recorded this in two different settings. I originally cooked the oil, garlic, onion, and crushed peppers together to really infuse the flavor of the dish. The second time around, when I recorded, I didn't have any red crushed peppers, so I used a chili infused oil instead. You could do it either way or just keep out the heat out of the dish, but we all love the red crushed peppers in our home. Next time I make this dish, you better believe that I will be making the o-mazinggrace dish. Let me know which one you prefer in the comments below. Now, both a-mazing and o-mazinggrace dish were fantastic. However, we all agreed in my household that the o-mazinggrace was far better than the a-mazinggrace because of the intensity of the deep flavors that came from the grilled pork, the onion jack cheese, the wine to cut through the heaviness of the sauce, and the fresh parmesan. It really brought it to another level of deliciousness. To me, the a-mazinggrace felt like a warm hug when you haven't seen someone in a while that you really care about and you are genuinely happy to see and excited to see the person. But the o-mazinggrace is like a hug that fills and warms your heart, melts you all over, and you don't want to let go of that hug for a long time and you want it to last forever. Like the kind of hug that replenishes you, that's how the o-mazinggrace was.